Welcome to the Beginner's Guide for the top 5 tools for traders and investors on Barchart.com that can enhance your strategy. In this video, we'll cover powerful tools like options flow, screeners, charting, and so much more. Learn how to use these features to make smarter trades and stay ahead of the market. First, our disclaimer, this video is for educational purposes only. Under no circumstance shall we be liable for any loss or damage you or anyone else incurs as a result of any trading or investment activity that you or anyone else engages in based on any information or material you receive through Barchart.com or our services. First up is options flow. This tool tracks large options trades, helping you see where the big money is moving. Whether you're following unusual activity or looking for high volume trades, this feature gives you insights that are often hidden from retail traders. Next is our custom screeners. Use our featured screeners or create and run personalized screeners based on technical and fundamental criteria. Whether you're searching for high potential stocks and exchange traded funds or specific options setup, Barchart screeners makes it easier to find trades. Advanced charting is another standout feature. With Barchart, you can customize your charts with a wide range of indicators, drawing tools, and time frames. Whether you're a day trader or a long-term investor, these charts help you analyze the market with precision. Plus, create your own custom chart templates or use our preset templates to get your charts set up just like a pro. Next, our market heat maps are perfect for visual traders. They provide a bird's eye view of the market, highlighting the best and worst performing sectors and stocks. Use this tool to quickly identify trends and make informed trading and investing decisions. And finally, one of the best features Barchart offers is completely free education and resources. Whether you're just starting out or looking to sharpen your skills, Barchart.com provides live webinars, free newsletters, and a wealth of educational content. These are just a few of the powerful tools and features available on Barchart.com. Start using them today to improve your trading strategy. So if you found this helpful, hit that thumbs up to give us a like and share this with a friend. To stay updated on our next beginner series, click the subscribe button and hit that bell icon for notifications. Head over to Barchart.com to start learning more for totally free.